My body literally woke up at like 8 a.m. this morning because I knew this is coming and I didn't even want to. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Trill, and I'm upgrading my laptop. And the Samsung fanboy finally got something that's not Samsung. But yeah, I finally got me a Microsoft Surface Book. The YouTubers swear about how good it is, so I thought I'd try it. I will get the Notebook 9 Pro by Samsung, but I liked this feature right here where you can take it off the dock and it's still a full laptop and everything, so yeah. Anyways, let's just go and take this out the box here. I just want to unbox this here. But yeah, so I'm going to be upgrading for my Samsung Notebook 9 Pro here because this thing, it is slow. It's plastic and everything. It's because it's a cheaper laptop, but still. Like I said, I would have got the Notebook 9 Pro, but if they had that feature right there, then I would have got it. I'm still going to be using my Galaxy Tab S4 though. But oh man, I'm so excited for this. This thing looks so dope in the videos and just the commercials and everything. Man, I'm excited. So yeah, Surface Book 2 here. So we got the picture right there, Microsoft Surface Book. It's a clean presentation and the box is kind of heavy. But this is the model I got. So we got Windows 10 Pro, Intel Core i7 processor, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU. So I think you gotta pay like a lot more to get that. 256 gigs of storage. I don't know how that's really gonna play out, but we'll see. And 8 gigs of RAM. So okay, that's the box right there. On the left side, we don't have anything. On the right side, we don't have anything. On the top, nothing. And at the bottom, we got Microsoft Surface Book. Okay, where's my unboxing knife at? Thank God I didn't get demonetized in my Galaxy S10 5G unboxing, man. If you know what I said, you know what I said. Anyways, let's just go ahead and, okay, go and peel that off there. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. I'm keeping the box too. And here we go, guys. So I want to say something real quick. I said this on my Instagram, but I don't think I ever said this on my YouTube channel. So what I said was, if Microsoft still made Windows phones and they made smartwatches and everything, I think I'd be with Microsoft right now, not Samsung. Yeah, that's the cold truth right now. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this box here. Wow, it's a little bit hard to get into. You just gotta wiggle it basically. There we go, man. Man, that looks sexy. All aluminum body here with the Microsoft logo here in this mirror finish. That's nice. You can even see my Galaxy S10 5G in the shot there with that long camera. I don't know why it looked pink in the camera, but it's not pink. But man, this is sexy. This is the only color that they had though. But we got the Microsoft logo here in this beautiful finish here. Camera here, and I think those are microphones. On the right side we have, I'm pretty sure that's a charger and SD card slot. USB Type-C port, and then we got some fans inside of here. On the bottom we have our volume rockers and our power button. On the left side we have our USB ports, so nope, they didn't dish those yet. And then we got that weird hinge here that I've seen in other videos. Apparently it's like amazing that they did that. But yeah, on the bottom here we don't really have anything. We got a Microsoft logo here, but that's it. Like, it's really clean. Anyways, let's just go ahead and peel that off there. Take that out of there. Man, it feels really nice though. I got the 13.5 inch too, by the way, just in case you're wondering, because my Samsung Notebook Series 3 that's 15 inches, I didn't really like how big it was. Anyways, let's go ahead and look inside this box here. We got our charger here. Okay then, you can also charge it with USB Type-C. Nothing else in this box. What else do we got in here? Use your books. You know what we're gonna do with this? Okay, it came back this time. And they'll surprise us with anything else in the box, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no, how disappointing. But okay then, let's look at our new laptop. Let's go ahead and open this thing already. Here's the grand finale. Okay, so we have this cover here for the screen here. We could go ahead and put that to the side. But we have this keyboard, and it feels pretty nice. We have this trackpad here, it's a good size. And then we have our 13.5 inch screen here. So let's just go and turn this thing on already, but we can actually take this off too as a whole tablet. The battery life isn't long, but it's pretty good that it's so powerful still when you take it off. But remember the power button's at the top here, so we gotta go ahead and click on that. And I think it's turning on now. Maybe it's dead. Okay guys, I thought I was gonna get some luck with this, but maybe not, so I'll go ahead and do this in another video. But I also got Microsoft Office 365 on here, just in case you care. You probably don't though, so it is what it is. Thanks though. But yeah, y'all, that's pretty much all I got for y'all. I'm super excited about my new laptop. I'll have a lot more videos on this soon. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go and like the video. If you really liked it, go and subscribe. But I'll see you on the next one. Place that down gently. Peace out.